Manu, upon his birth, approached his father Brahma and earnestly offered to obey any command. Brahma was pleased and tasked him with continuing the work of creation. However, Manu faced a dilemma. The earth, submerged in the netherworld during the Great Deluge, needed to be restored for his creations to inhabit. Perplexed, Brahma turned to Lord Narayana for guidance, meditating deeply on the divine. In an extraordinary moment, a tiny boar, no larger than a fingernail, emerged from Brahma's nostrils. Before the eyes of the astonished onlookers, the boar grew to immense proportions, revealing itself as Lord Narayana in the form of Varaha. With a thunderous roar that reverberated through all realms, Varaha leaped into the ocean. The mighty plunge churned the waters, causing the ocean to tremble under his divine presence. Sniffing the air and the waters, Varaha dived into the depths of the ocean, reaching the netherworld where he found the submerged earth. Lifting it gently on his tusks, he began his ascent. The asura Hiranyaksha, seeking to obstruct his divine mission, attacked fiercely, but was no match for the Lord. Varaha slew Hiranyaksha and resumed his upward journey, carrying the earth with steadfast grace. As Varaha surfaced, the assembled sages and deities, including Brahma and Sanaka, marveled at the sight. The earth on his tusks glowed like a lotus atop an elephant's trunk. The onlookers praised the Lord, extolling his form as the embodiment of the 4 Vedas and the essence of sacred rituals like yajna. They likened every part of his body to elements of cosmic order and expressed their gratitude for restoring the foundation of creation. The earth was placed securely on Varaha's hoofprints, sanctifying the land for future generations. The sages offered heartfelt prayers, recognizing the Lord's divine act as not just a physical restoration but a profound reminder of his omnipresence and benevolence. Acknowledging their praises, Lord Varaha disappeared, leaving behind a sense of awe and devotion among the onlookers. This story highlights the Lord's readiness to assume any form to protect the cosmos and reinforces the eternal truth that the divine resides in all forms and is the ultimate protector of Dharma.